CLS traffic collision 58, unit 38, West Walton Avenue and Monte Boulevard. Also advised this is an abdominal pain ALS. Updated location 2668 Zoe Avenue, Unit